you know, Kristen, there's not as much class in the world as you think. There we go. There we go. Tatonka.
Yeah, that was a great spot.
Great spot, great tree, great easy experience, super easy in and out.
Another beautiful tree just sitting there.
I think we just have better trees.
Perfect.
Little pricier. That's okay.
It does have a star on it, sweetie.
I think we normally pay like 100 or 115, something like that.
Yeah, that sounds about right. 17. I think last year, yeah. Which is fine, right? It goes to a good cause.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is one of the best trees you've had. I saw that old lady looking at the tree when you guys were walking up. I was like,
Oh, really?
yeah.
Gotta pee on it fast. You have one in your hand. Yeah. Last one, Teddy.
It's time we hung some tinsel on that evergreen bough. For I've grown a little leaner, grown a little colder, grown a little sadder, grown a little older, and I need a little angel sitting on my shoulder. Need a little Christmas now. All out the holly, I taught you well to live each living day.
want 2 more? Maybe when we get home, okay?
Oh no, we gotta stop the cookies now because we're gonna take a nap,
Oh, we're gonna get treats.
and then we're gonna get
after
so many treats after nap. You don't
Yeah.
even know.
Yeah,
Cookies and hot chocolate,
yeah.
tree trimming and fun.
Hey Charles, can you turn your light off for me, please? Thank you, buddy.
Okay, so next, what we need to do, you gotta find the Christmas boxes.
Yeah.
I got a sink to install. So I'm gonna focus on the sink. I want to get the sink in and the counter in before Heather gets here. She could be here as early as an hour, likely between 2 and 3 hours.
What, Teddy? Oh. We're all done, honey. We're all done with cookies. All done.
Come Santa Claus down Santa Claus Lane. Doesn't care who you are, or he loves you just the same. Santa Claus knows we're all God's children, that makes everything right.
Thank you, Gene Autry.
Fill our hearts with Christmas cheer.
A friend of mine from maybe college or something used to have a shirt called, it said Autry's Army.
Santa Claus Lane. He'll come around when chimes ring out that it's Christmas morn again. He's on earth will come to
It's
all.
random.
Just follow the line. So let's
Yeah.
give thanks to the Lord above. Santa Claus comes.
Yeah, it's cool.
Come Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. But soon all his reindeers pulling on the rein. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Yeah, I had somebody tell me my address yesterday. You know how they do on the phone. Century.
Snow. You say it's Center Street Dunmore. Because when you call people Dunmore, then they know that you're serious. This lady went viral. She's got a bar up in Sherman Oaks, and she's been forced to close, and she's about to lose her business. And right across the street, they're filming and having craft services, and everyone's right up on each other's shit. She's like, "Why is that safe and I'm not?" I know. Well, it's fair though. Like,
I get it. I totally know.
you know,
You're-
Gavin Newsom is just flubbing the dub in this.
well, good for her. I'm glad she said something.
You know, it's one of the time Fox News is the only one really picking it up too.
All right. Are the kids going down now?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'll leave the tree on the top.
Yeah.